The human body is a complex biological machine. Today, we observe the journey of energy.
As mechanical digestion begins, the teeth break down matter, while saliva introduces enzymes the swallowing reflex is automatic. The epiglottis acts as a guardian, ensuring food enters this place. Through a wave-like muscle movement called peristalsis, the food is forced downward. Bypassing the lower esophageal sphincter opens briefly, welcoming the fuel into the stomach, the body's primary mixing chamber. While digestion occurs, the support systems never rest. The lungs expand, oxygenating the bloods. The heart pumps tirelessly. It prepares to circulate the energy we are about to extract to S. Separated only by the diaphragm, the stomach and heart work in close proximity. Oxygen is vital for metabolism. Without the lungs providing air, the stomach's effort to create energy would be useless. The brain keeps the heart beating and the lungs breathing unconsciously, allowing us to focus simply on eating.
Blood flow increases to the digestive tract after a meal, prioritizing the processing of incoming nutrients.
The diaphragm assists in respiration, but also massages the abdominal organs, aiding in the movement of food. Back in the stomach, the solid food is being churned into a semi-fluid substance known as chyme. Gastric juices, highly acidic and powerful, break down proteins and kill bacteria that may have hitched a ride. The stomach muscles contract vigorously, mixing the food with acid, turning the apple into fluids pass through faster, helping to dilute the mixture and prepare it for the next stage of the journey. The pyloric valve acts as a gatekeeper. It only releases small amounts of food at a time to prevent overcrease. Nearby, the liver and gallbladder prepare bile, a critical fluid needed to digestivores. The pancreas joins the operation, creating a cocktail of enzymes that neutralize the stomach acid. The gate opens. The acidic chyme enters the duodenum, the first section of the small intestine. Here begins the longest part of the transit. Over 20 feet of tubing packed efficiently into the abdominal cavity. Inside the tube, millions of microscopic fingers called villus increase the surface area for maximum absorption. Sugars, amino acids, and vitamins are pulled through these walls, finally crossing the barrier from food to fuel. Once absorbed, this nutrient-rich blood travels directly to the liver for filtering and processing. Peristalsis continues here, though much slower. It ensures every bit of value is extracted from the meal. The cardiovascular system distributes these newly acquired resources to muscles, the brain, and organ tissues. This is the ultimate goal: cellular energy. The apple you ate is now powering the very muscle. What remains is mostly indigestible fiber, water, waste products. We now enter the large intestine. The transition from digestion to waste management begins. The colon is wider and works to reclaim one precious resource: water.
As waste moves up and across the abdomen, water is reabsorbed into the body to prevent dehydration. This is also home to trillions of bacteria. They help ferment remaining fiber and produce vitamin K for us.
Slowly, over hours or even days, the remaining matter is compacted and stored, ready for evacuation. The digestive system does not work alone. It acts in concert with the respiratory and circulatory systems. From a simple bite of an apple, the body performs a symphony of chemistry and physics. This complex process happens every day, mostly unnoticed, keeping the human machine running perfectly.